A former prosecutor who was leading the criminal fraud investigation into the Trump Organization said he believes former President Trump is, quote, guilty of numerous felony violations.
In his resignation letter, Mark Pomerantz went on to say the decision to not prosecute Mr. Trump now is, quote, misguided and completely contrary to the public interest. Pomerantz and fellow prosecutor Carrie Dunn resigned in February. The investigation has led to fraud and tax evasion charges against the Trump Organization and its chief financial officer.
CBS News reporter Graham Cates has been reporting on this investigation and joins us now. Graham, thanks for being here with us. Do we know of any evidence that led to Pomerantz's strong claims against Mr. Trump as an individual?
Well, the main thing that Pomerantz highlighted in his letter of resignation was the statements of financial condition that the Trump Organization created through an accounting firm called Mazars. And one thing we know, thanks to a parallel civil investigation being run by the New York Attorney General's office, is that in February, Mazars essentially recanted or withdrew about a decade's worth of those statements of financial condition and told the Trump Organization, you should contact anyone who's received those from you and let them know that we no longer stand by the reports that we gave to you.
So how has the district attorney's office responded to these allegations? I mean, in many ways, this letter could be seen as fighting words. And now that it's getting, so much public attention, the district attorney is going to feel pressure to respond.
So far, the office has said, hey, the investigation is continuing, and we still have a team of prosecutors working on it. But look, if you have the lead prosecutors in your investigation resign, and then we see this letter basically saying we think you're dropping this case, I mean, it kind of speaks for itself. They were more deeply in tune with this case than anyone that we know of. They were involved in the grand jury. One of them was involved in a fight with Donald Trump over a subpoena that went all the way to the Supreme Court. That one, Carrie Dunn, he was involved in this case from the beginning. We're talking years of work on it.
Mm-hmm. To complicate things even further, we know Mr. Trump has appealed a ruling requiring him to testify in this civil investigation into the Trump Organization. What's the update on this appeal?
Yeah, so that's the one that's being run out of the New York Attorney General's office. And right now they're in the middle of this back and forth set of filings where they're essentially rehashing the arguments that led to the order for the depositions to be made. So they told a lower court, Trump's attorneys told a lower court, we don't think our clients should sit for this deposition because we think immediately whatever they say will be turned over to the criminal grand jury. And also, we think that the attorney general is just coming after our clients, the Donald Trump, Ivanka Trump, Donald Trump Jr., and the company out of political animus. And a lower court judge rejected that and said, no, this is a civil investigation. You need to sit for the depositions. You don't get the right to say, we're afraid this is going to be turned over to a criminal investigation. But now they're hoping that this appeals court will see their side of it and overturn it.
So, Graham, what more can you tell us about where both the civil and criminal investigations now stand?
Well, the criminal grand jury is set to expire this month in April. And so we should have some sort of conclusion or major update on it coming up very soon. Again, the Manhattan DA has said this thing is ongoing, but that doesn't necessarily work well with the actual timeline of the grand jury, which has to end. And then for the civil investigation, that one is also kind of wrapping up, depending on what happens with this appeal. The judge in that case, which has been overseeing that for a long time, has been saying, I want this investigation to come to a conclusion. Either you're going to file civil charges, a lawsuit, or you're going to drop this. And along those lines, just this past week, he ordered the Trump Organization to comply with e-discovery, which is the turning over of information from electronic devices within this next month as well. So once the discovery is done and once this matter over the depositions is settled, the Attorney General's office should have what it needs to make a decision. Either they're going to pursue a civil case against the Trump Organization or the investigation's over and they need to drop it.
Graham Cates breaking down this investigation for us. Thank you.
Thank you.